101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, see you again, guys, smart viewers and listeners, of course, at home. As usually, every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we have a special program, Smart Up Your Life English Discussion with English communities. And of course, I'm not alone here. I'm with my friends from many English community. Of course, hi, guys. Hi. Okay, how are you guys?
I'm fine.
Okay. Anyway, of course, as usually we have a lot of our view English communities, of course, frequently week by week, and of course also special topic for this evening. And let's we start from you. Okay. Hi, Miss. Okay, could you take the microphone, please?
Thank
Okay, where
you.
are you from? What is your community? The name of your communities? What is your name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me in here. My name is Viera Tigris Adriana Pawa, and you can call me Viera.
Hi,
Hi,
Viera.
nice to meet you all.
Uh-huh.
Yes, this is my first time to be here.
Okay.
I'm a president of Hasanuddin English Community.
Wow, giving applause. Okay. Could
Thank
you
you.
explain to smart viewers and listeners at home the schedule of hack and what stand for hack actually?
Okay, Hack is basically it's a community for English to develop your English, and we have a good program. So you can actually we have weekly discussion,
Mm-hmm.
weekly TOEFL, so you can learn TOEFL, and it's from every week. So if you want to join, you can come to IPTEX.
What the
Yeah.
day and the
The day,
procedure?
okay.
Mhm.
The for weekly discussion, you can join with in on Friday, but and weekly TOEFL you can come in on Thursday.
Okay, twice in a week.
Yes.
Okay, free of charge?
Yeah.
Oh wow! Come,
Yeah,
smart
for
viewers
every
coming.
regular,
Okay.
and also everyone can
Okay.
join us.
Thank you, Vera.
Yeah.
Okay, next. What about you?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, what about you? What
Okay,
is your name? What is your community? And could you explain about your community and the date or the schedule who want to join?
Okay,
Please.
thank you. So my name is Nurmila Sari, but you can call me Ila. I'm
Hi,
from.
Ila.
Hi, nice to meet you all. Okay, I'm from Mabicara community.
Mhm.
Yes. What is Mabicara community is one of community in Makassar that language community like
Oh, wow.
there are so
Polyglot, you mean?
polyglot, yeah,
Mm,
polyglot
yeah.
community. Like
Mhm.
maybe you want to learn many languages such as Chinese,
Mm, wow.
Japanese,
Mhm.
yeah, of course, including English,
Mhm.
then Arabic,
Mhm.
and there are so many languages. But
Many more.
yeah,
Yes.
I don't know. I don't. I if I explain it, maybe I sometimes I forget the
Ah,
others.
okay.
Yes.
By the way, what about the schedule?
The schedule.
Yes.
Right now, Mak Bicara is still have not a schedule because
Mhm.
we only focus on D&D, you know, this debate and
Oh,
discussion.
okay, okay.
We still not we still don't have a schedule like before, because
Mhm.
Mak Bicara right now is still open recruitment
Okay.
recruiting for the new members of Mak Bicara.
Okay.
Yes.
How the procedure when the participant will want to join or maybe want to be member of Mabicara? How the procedure?
The procedure is just like simple, like you want to learn a new languages such as maybe you never learned before, like Chinese
Mhm,
maybe.
mhm, mhm.
It's you just need to how to say, like
Register?
yeah, register, of
Yes.
course.
Uh-huh.
Then you don't have to pay. You don't have to pay to join this community.
Wow.
Yeah, it's free.
Free of
Then
charge. Uh-huh.
yeah, it's free. Then you just need to be like how to say, niat,
Okay.
intention to learning
Okay. So for the
languages.
more information, just follow the Instagram or Mabicara and ask everything about that, right? What is the name of Instagram of Mabicara?
Instagram,
yes.
Mak Bicara underscore community.
Okay, please follow. Please follow.
Yes.
At and you may ask everything about it. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Ila.
Okay, thank you, Kak.
Next, could you introduce yourself, please, to smart viewers and listeners at home, and what is your community?
Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Fatihatul Makna, and everyone call me Kak Fatihah.
What
Hi.
what the representative of meeting club?
I'm from the KMC,
Okay.
you know, KMC Kahfi English Club,
Okay.
English Meeting Club.
The
Indonesia.
location.
The location is the most of UNM, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
What about the time or the schedule?
The time is situational because member of the KMC is they are so busy and they are employment. They are, I mean, how to say employee.
Okay.
I mean,
Thank you, Kak Fatihah. Okay,
Okay.
next.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, my name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian.
Halo Rian.
I'm from BPEC,
Okay.
Benteng Panyua English Club.
Yeah.
It's located in Fort Rotterdam every
Mhm.
Sunday.
The
And,
schedule or the time?
the meeting will held start from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Okay, so because smart viewers and listeners, of course, not very familiar with BPC, so you don't need
Yes.
to explain many more about
Okay.
BPC. Thank you, Brian.
Okay.
Okay, give a couple of applause for us. Yeah, you know, every week or week by week, of course, we sit here. Of course, we will talking about something, and our topic for this evening is extracurricular activity. Are you ready, guys?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, talking about extracurricular activity, we try to imagine when you guys at school, of course, absolutely, you have a addition another activity, except the main activity, call it addition or extra. That's why our topic is extracurricular activity. So not only always relate about the academic, but also non-academic. We can call extracurricular, right? So that's why this topic consists of two words, extracurricular and activity. In Indonesia or Bahasa, we call aktivitas tambahan. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I start from Kak Fatihah.
Oh my God.
So yeah, how do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, thank you very much for the master of time. I think is the topic is today so interest for me because of extracurricular
Yes.
activity. I think it's so important thing for me because of even though you didn't follow the formal education, but we can follow the other community, something like KMC, BPEC,
Oh, yeah.
Bicara, and Hack. I think
Okay.
Yes.
So no need to be a student or a university student to
Yes.
how to say to add our
Yes.
activity,
Yes.
something like that. It's not always relate with
Yes.
academic.
Yeah.
Even you come from non-academic,
Yes.
of course you can build your extracurricular activity,
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
Okay, thank
And
you.
may I
Any addition?
Yes.
Okay.
I always say to everyone,
Mhm.
every place is a madrasah and everyone is a teacher. As I have right down in my book.
And
Thank
also,
you.
okay, and also everyone is a student.
Yeah. Good.
As a student and teacher.
Okay.
Okay, both them, right?
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Kak Fatihah.
Okay.
I move to Ila. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
It's a great topic
Mhm.
because everyone has their own ways to do something like extracurricular activities. Even
Yes.
though we are still in school or in college,
Okay.
we still have a chance to do something like what we like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
something like that. Okay.
So, what are you still study, and what is your majoring?
Yes.
And where? Uh-huh.
Yes, I'm still in college.
Mhm.
I'm English and literature. I'm English and literature student at
Wow.
UIN Alauddin Makassar.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in the eighth semester right now. The last semester. The last semester.
Wow,
Yes.
the last semester. So, I mean, because we talk about extra, this is
Okay.
in bahasa tambahan.
Mm-mm.
What is your extra activity?
Actually, right now my extracurricular activity is just learn TOEFL.
Mhm.
TOEFL because in the last semester we need to focus on like what will we become in the future. You know,
Okay,
we
yeah.
have a goals. Then
Mhm.
where we will go in the future after we graduate in the college.
Mhm.
Yeah. So the first thing that we have to prepare is, if we want to if we want to continue our college, we
Mhm.
need to how to say, we need to apply a scholarship because we
Yeah.
cannot pay it by ourselves,
Yeah,
for continue
And there
our.
is like a procedure or criteria.
The first thing that we have to prepare is TOEFL. Because if we want to apply a scholarship, we need a TOEFL score.
Yes.
TOEFL score.
For
So
example, what kind of scholarship and what the standard of TOEFL?
LPDP is the famous
Mhm.
scholarship.
And the standard?
The standard is if you want to. Actually, I prefer to like I prefer to IELTS, but
Mhm.
the way if we want to, because right now a scholarship has a program like PPSL dan like a pelatihan IELTS,
Mhm.
but we need to start it with a TOEFL score first
Absolutely.
to apply this PPSL scholarship,
Uh-huh.
like pelatihan IELTS.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this is absolute, right?
Yes.
Absolute procedure.
Yes.
Okay. What about the others? When maybe like 2 or 1 years or a few years ago, what is your extracurricular?
A few years ago, I just like community is extracurricular, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I just focus on.
Sure.
Actually, honestly, my extracurricular is only focused on Mak Bicara community because
Chinese.
yeah,
Mandarin.
not only
Mandarin
Chinese but
language.
prefer to English, because English is my major, right? So
Yeah.
English is my major. I prefer to learn like practicing like my my English is not really good that
Oh,
I am
don't mention it. Don't
I
mention
I
it.
am English and literature student, so I will be shy if I cannot speak in English very well. Yeah.
And now you are here.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm so
Okay,
grateful.
Thank you, Lila.
Okay,
Next,
thank you, Kak.
Viera. Right, Viera.
Yeah.
Like a band,
Oh.
national
Yeah.
band in Indonesia. Very
Everyone
famous.
said like that.
Okay. How do you think about our topic for this evening, Viera?
Yeah, for me, extracurricular activity is the most important thing.
Mm-hmm.
Because what? Because when we join the extracurricular activity, we can develop our skill.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we only just not focus on academic, but we also focus on non-academic,
Oh yeah.
and we can improve our skill, such as in communication, leadership, and also if you want to sport, you can join sport, and also many things that we can learn in school, in class.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why if you want to improve your other skill, you need
Yeah.
to join extracurricular activity. It's a good activity for all of us.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
your opinion. What about when you was maybe junior or senior high school?
Yeah.
What is your extracurricular activity?
Actually, I join a lot of
Mm.
extracurricular activity. I don't know why, because maybe my parents asked me to join, so
Okay.
I just follow them.
What are they?
First.
What are they?
First, I joined karate.
Oh, jangan
Yeah.
macam-macam.
Okay.
Yeah, oh my
But
god.
yeah, but I'm not continue that because I what I need join the. I mean, I'm in.
You break.
Yeah, I need
Uh-huh.
break because of what? Because of I
You have
masuk
priority?
no boarding school, so that's why there is no place
Uh-huh.
for me to
Uh-huh.
continue that. And also I join English club, of
Uh-huh.
course.
Cinch?
Yeah, yeah,
Cinch?
since elementary, I don't know.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 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 and I still improve it until junior high school.
Okay.
And I join senior in my senior high school. I joined debate.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
and also like Olympiad. What to say that?
Olympiad.
Yeah, chemistry
Uh,
Olympiad.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Chemistry.
Yeah, it's in my yeah. That's why I'm in chemistry right now.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
So after this, you have to teach us karate.
Oh, okay.
Kidding,
Okay.
kidding, kidding. kidding.
I still remember what technique like.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you,
Yeah,
Piera. Keep
thank
your
you,
statement.
Kak.
Okay, what about you, Brian? How do you think about our topic for this evening, extracurricular activity?
Okay. In my opinion,
Mhm.
this topic is interesting to discuss because we talk about extracurricular. It means that as a host said before,
Yeah.
extracurricular is not only
Formal or
in
academy?
formal or academic, but
Yes.
uh, we how to say we
Mm-hmm.
we do it in outside
Yeah,
outside of the
yeah,
class.
yeah.
So I guess yeah. I have
Experience?
yeah. Honestly, I don't have extracurricular when I was in
School.
school.
Okay.
But right now, I have extracurricular when I was
University students or
yeah,
college? Uh-huh.
university
Like,
like uh, when I in university.
you join.
Yeah, I joined the committee, namely BPC.
Ah, okay.
So
And others also, right?
yeah,
Another
yeah,
community.
in another community like Max, Egg.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. And also, you always come frequently to radio, right?
Yes.
This is also extracurricular.
Yeah, extracurricular. Okay.
Because BPC joined here since
Yeah, 2017.
until
Yes.
now still continue,
Yeah.
right? The English program of radio Smart FM,
Yeah.
right? Okay, oh my
Until right
God.
now.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Brian.
thank you.
Okay, anyway, for the next question, I'm going to Fiera. Okay, what is the benefit or
The
advantage?
benefit.
Yeah,
Okay.
join with, I mean like, join like some extracurricular activity. Yeah.
Yeah, for me, I get knowledge from
Mhm.
there.
Yeah.
I can improve what I didn't get in class.
Mhm.
I improve so much from extracurricular activities.
Mhm.
So yeah, and also I have so much friend from there too.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, and um, if I'm not good at
Mhm.
at study,
Mhm.
I can be good at that.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's so.
What does the significant difference you feel before and
Mm,
after you join with extracurricular? What the significant? Apa perbedaan drastisnya?
what the
Before and
significant?
after.
Maybe.
Yes, maybe okay. Come on. Okay, do not hesitate when you doubt to speak like some words in English. You may mix with bahasa when you
Yeah.
how to say difficult to find the new words or unfamiliar words. Okay, come on.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Kak. The significant that I can get, yeah, maybe the skill,
Skill
Yeah.
like
like
public speaking, maybe. Or
not-
self-confidence?
yeah, self-confident. I
Uh-huh.
have self-confidence is the more.
Discipline also?
Oh yeah.
Discipline. You can manage
Yeah,
your time.
Yeah, discipline. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
also maybe mentality? Mental.
Yes,
Right?
of course. That is
Ah.
part of that.
What about relation? I mean, like friends.
Mm.
You get many friends, a lot of
Yeah,
before and after.
of course. In my school,
Uh-huh.
I don't really have a big friends.
Okay.
So I just and me and myself.
Okay.
I'm just alone at my
Ooh. Are you
school.
introvert?
Not really, but yeah. But it was so fun because when I joined the extracurricular activity, I have a lot of friends that I can communicate what I feel, and also I can accompany them whenever
Yeah.
they go, and it's so fun for me.
And one of the concrete
Yeah.
vector is like this.
Yeah.
You get
Yeah,
new
yeah,
friends
yeah.
for today
Yeah.
for this evening.
Yeah.
Okay, but keep your statement. We will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back. Hi guys, are you still spirit?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, guys, we're back to our topic for this evening. The topic is extracurricular activity. So I'm finished with Viera, and next to Ila. Okay, from Mak Bicara. In your perspective, in your opinion, what is the advantages or benefit you feel when you join with extracurricular activity?
Okay, the benefits are the benefit that I got from the extracurricular activities is something I learned something new.
Okay.
I learned something new like such as right now I joining in Mak Bicara community. I have so many friends. I can improve my self confidence because in the past I cannot speak in front of people like I do right now. Yeah, I'm a type of pemalu, how to say.
Okay. Are you
Yes.
introvert?
Not really, not
really.
introvert. I just like if I speak in front of people, I will get tremor.
Okay.
Something like demam panggung.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
normal.
Yeah, that's but if I since I join in Mak Bicara, I
Yeah.
get something new like I will be more confidence. Yes, something like that.
And also you got many friends.
Many friends and I learned something new. And I can improve my skills. I join in extracurricular activity is just based on my skills maybe. Like I join Mak Bicara because I am a language student. A language student that
And student and also teacher.
not
Mentor,
teacher.
right? Mandarin.
No.
Mandarin. Yeah.
Yeah, just something like that.
Okay, what about the other side? Like maybe you got how to say new location, like you always traveling with your community, something like that, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
You
in
explore many location or places.
Yeah. Mak Bicara is not only it's not only a community for me. It's Mak Bicara also is my home. It's my friends to make adventure. I learned something new in Mak Bicara. Like I go to how to say mendaki.
Wall climbing.
Climbing, I go climbing, hiking, camping, camp, something like, it's not only, so fun join in this community because it's not,
You're
it's
going
not,
to Danau Malili, Danau
Tantra Lili,
Yeah.
yeah, something like, I got some many benefits in joining Mak Bicara community, because honestly, my community is only one, only Mak Bicara.
Okay.
Yeah, just so I more focus on this community.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, Ila. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I move to Rian. Okay.
Okay.
So, what about you? What is the benefit you got before and after?
Okay. before I joined the BPC, I cannot speak confidently like
Okay,
this.
same case.
Yeah, and yeah, after uh, join many months in BPC, yeah, my speaking is like got improvement.
Mm.
Yeah, and years by years, my speaking is more confident than before.
What about the how to say change? Or sorry, chance. What about the chance for the another? I mean, like another side. When you join in the BPEC, you have a chance to do something like maybe like guest star or like maybe like speaker or maybe like another something.
Okay. After I joined the BPC, I can be here.
Oh yeah.
I can be a speaker.
yeah.
I can be a
Good,
speaker.
good, good.
And also we learn something in BPC like relationship, and what the important of English.
Yes.
And
It's also exploration of the places.
huh?
Is exploration also you did, guys? You did?
After join, yeah, I have explored many city. After after I joined the
Yeah.
BPC
Uh-huh.
BPC community.
Because we see have a many activities
Yeah, have
to tour, right?
yeah, have many activity outside of the Benteng Rotterdam, like BPC goes to school,
Okay.
and BPC
Campus?
English camp,
Campus also?
yeah, campus
Mhm.
also, and uh, I
Guest
cannot,
to media.
yeah, goes to media like
Uh-huh.
radio.
Okay.
Yeah. And I cannot imagine that I can be like this because of BPSC.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay, what about you, Kak Fatiha? Okay, what is the benefit of extracurricular? I'm wondering because of you have a lot of activity in outside
Yes.
except meeting club actually,
Okay.
right? Okay, what is your
Okay, thank you, brother. The second chance, maybe the advantages for me, I think is same the others. I got a lot of friends, make relationship.
Yeah.
I get a lot of knowledge and
Mhm.
insight. I mean, and then I always say that scavenging or scavenge
Yeah.
vocabulary. Every English meeting, something like KMC, BPEC, and
Max.
etc. Max and
Setting.
setting. As I say,
Equinsa.
yes, Equinsa. As I say before, every place is a madrasa or a university for me.
Yeah. What about because you have like others like you writing something that
Yeah.
is your extracurricular, right? What how looks? I'm wondering. I'm curious about your
You so
writing.
curious?
Yes, maybe you can explain to smart viewers and listeners at home.
Okay.
What did you do to
Oh
write
yeah,
something?
okay. I think is one extracurricular activity I do, or I mean my activity after scavenging something
Yeah.
the second hand, and I take I break, and while writing, while drinking coffee, and
Yeah.
then take a rest. And why I'm not writer actually, but I call myself is notebooker. Notebooker different is writer. A writer is more academic, and how to say in English, notebooker is liar.
Oh my god.
Liar.
How do we put the name of English menulis liar?
Yeah,
There is no there is still no put in nomenclature of English.
I mean something like I find the word
That's brilliant.
independent notebook.
Okay.
Notebook, yes.
Okay. We have to put in nomenclature when we open the Google.
Yeah. No, I mean, now I write the OTW, OTW, the 10 book.
Oh wow,
Wow.
Tambo. Wow, giving
Yes,
applause.
yes.
Okay, thank you, Kak
Okay.
Fatia. I move to Brian again. Okay.
Okay.
How do you think about the people who doesn't have in their life they doesn't have um, extra activity? Only
Yeah,
like a
only
monotone
in
maybe, I don't know.
only in academic, yeah.
Yeah. How do you think about the
If
people who
there is
doesn't have?
person only in academic, there is no process.
Mhm.
There's no process because uh, we how to say we
Mhm.
join the extracurricular
Yeah.
because of we need to improve ourselves
Oh yeah.
because because in this life we need
Mhm.
improvement. We need improvement.
It's
Yeah.
not enough only in academic or
Yeah, it's not
in
enough.
the school, in the
Yes.
it's college,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
And um, for the person that uh, don't don't have
Extra.
extracurricular,
Yes.
it means that they stuck in their place.
So their life is flat because only home and
Home and
school,
school.
home,
Yes.
school,
Home,
home, school,
school.
only like that every day, right?
And become homeschooling.
Okay, thank you, Brian.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
what about you, Kak Fatia? How do you think about the people who doesn't have extracurricular activity?
I think it's as I mentioned before, as
Mm.
I say purposely, I think it's extra curricular activity is so important things because
Mm.
of extra. I mean, additional,
Mhm.
additional activity, additional knowledge,
Yeah.
additional insight
Mhm.
to make someone independent in the future. Okay.
Mm. So, do you have a specific, I mean, like personal opinion about them, the people who doesn't have?
I think is everyone has a talent or
Mhm.
bakat. I think is
Talent.
bakat.
Yes, yes.
And everyone has a talent or I
Mhm.
mean passion.
Yeah.
You know
Passion.
passion,
Passion.
and
Mhm.
then someone must how to say learn or train to find the passion or the how to say uh, uh, I like drawing, for example. I like play drama. I like play
Music.
football. I like etc. I think, but my passion is, as I say before, I how to say in
Writer.
English,
Writing.
Penulis liar.
liar, and then
Okay.
and then
Okay.
but I also love my activity every day, and then
Mhm.
I think is the only one unique person
Uh-huh.
a scavenger.
Okay.
In Makassar term is payabo, you know.
Okay.
Okay,
So
thank you.
actually they have to, right?
Yeah.
They absolutely they must, yeah. They
Yes.
must to how to say explore their talent
Yes.
because everyone has a talent, right?
Yes.
From God.
Yes.
Okay, from Allah Subhanahu wa taala.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
To be independent in the future.
Okay, thank you,
Yes.
Kak Fatia. Next, Ila. How do you get the point right?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you think about your personal opinion about the people who doesn't have extracurricular activity?
Okay, actually, yes. People who has extracurricular activities is very good to increase their ability. Then, I don't want to judge people who doesn't has extracurricular activities because
Okay.
the people has their own types. There are many people like introvert
Yeah.
introvert people that doesn't like to do something like yang banyak orang, keramaian,
Crowded.
in crowded. Yes. Some there because I have a friend like I have some friends like this.
In Mabicara,
Yeah, not in Mabicara, but outside of a community. They doesn't like to join in the community because they are introvert one. But they has, Kak Fatihah say before, everyone has a talent, has a talents. Then maybe they cannot join in a community. It's not mean that they are doesn't have potential. Yeah, because everyone like has a talent like my friends, my friend, you know, they they don't like to join in a community or something like extracurricular activities. They just stay in like in their home, but they has a talent like they how to say they
They has a talent.
has a talent to drawing,
Okay.
you know,
Oh,
drawing like yeah, painting. But you know, we have our own comfort zone.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
comfort zone. Like maybe we can enjoy to some people enjoy to learn by themselves. Yeah, doesn't like a awkward zone like kayak tempat yang ribut begitu.
Okay.
So yeah, they
It's
can
about
build
the personality. the
they can
style.
build their own capacities with their ways. Not only for joining community or something like outside.
Okay, so the people who doesn't have extracurricular activity is not a big issue,
Yeah.
right? It's probably they can do their best,
Yes.
right? Because some people they like to, how to say, work alone or
Yeah.
do alone. Some people do like if crowd, something like that. So
Yeah.
it's people is different, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Ila. So how do you think about the people who doesn't have extracurricular
For
activity?
me, it's every people have their own health. I'm sorry,
Mhm.
have their different priority.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
maybe for who doesn't want to join a community or improve their skill, maybe they good at academic, so they try to improve more in academic. So maybe they can have a good score in maths.
Oh wow, yeah.
Someone I have a sister.
Mhm.
She's love maths more. So yeah, she doesn't want to join something like I'm sorry. Yeah, they
I see.
this is just watching maths study and everything
for the
about maths.
comparison, Fiera put
Yeah.
her sister
Yeah.
in this situation. Oh my God,
Yeah. She's so introvert actually. Yes, when I see her, yeah, she's so introvert. She's just in her book and her math and stuff like that. So we can judge everyone by their like or their passion or something like that.
Okay. So my next question: which one is better, traditional extracurricular or modern extracurricular?
What is
Or which
tradition?
one is better,
Tradition?
traditional or modern extracurricular?
For
The
me,
kind of
for me, both of that is better.
why?
Because we have a different skill and we have a unique talent, so that's why we cannot compare which one is better.
It's come from your deep heart. I mean, like about them. Are
Yeah.
you sure to choice to choice put on yourself or both of them or only one, modern and
Yeah.
traditional?
Yeah, for
both them.
me, yeah, both
Both
of
them.
them.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Ila? Which one is better, traditional or modern extracurricular?
Can you tell me like the traditional?
Yeah,
Which
traditional,
one is
like
traditional?
traditional dance.
Ah.
Like modern, like boot camp of artificial intelligence. something like
Okay.
that. Or English in modern, in traditional like art, like seni. How to say,
Okay.
like paraga or something like that.
Oh,
that's we call traditional. and
Oh yeah,
modern.
yeah, yeah. For me, both of them is very good. You know, it's very because I cannot choose which one is is like how to say before which one is better, because for me both of them is better. You know, like traditional
Traditional dance.
Traditional dance is still how to say use. Is still it still exists right now in this modern era, right? Yeah, so that's why both of them is a good.
Okay. Okay, you choose both them. What about you, Brian? Which one is better for you, for yourself? Modern or traditional extracurricular?
Yeah, I choose both of them.
Oh
Yeah,
my God!
because
Come on,
they-
everyone is always
Yeah,
choose.
because
but-
you know that the traditional is become modern, like traditional dancing, like Makassar dance,
Mhm.
it's become modern.
Mhm.
In how to say, start from one dance until
Mhm.
four dance,
Mhm.
the traditional until modern.
Okay.
I think both of them is important
Uh-huh.
because we have to follow the era,
Mhm.
like yeah, we have to follow the era because if you stuck only in traditional
One
extracurricular,
side, yeah.
yeah, there's no improvement in your side.
Okay. Life is improvement.
Yeah, life
Okay,
is
thank you,
life
Brian.
is an improvement.
Okay, what about you, Kak Fatiha? Which one is, which one is better? Traditional or modern
Same.
extracurricular?
Same.
Same again.
Our
Same.
yes.
Okay.
Same. Both of
You don't
I
get
like
my
it.
point.
Yes, I like it.
Uh-huh. Which one?
Traditional.
Uh-huh. Traditional.
Yes, no, both of
Madam,
Yeah.
why?
traditional and modern.
Mhm.
Because of I do agree with brother. Traditional to become modern.
Mm.
Because
Do you have example like traditional and modern?
something like maybe something like martial art,
Uh-huh.
martial
Yeah.
art,
Art.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
martial art,
I mean,
something
uh,
like
uh,
karate, you say
Yeah,
uh-huh.
martial
karate.
art,
Uh-huh.
and then maybe increase the something like
Public speaking.
no, it
In
is not
modern.
correlated.
In modern.
It is not correlate
Uh,
the
Traditional.
karate.
this is still traditional, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
and
Uh-huh.
then I
Mhm.
think is karate could be kempo and kung fu
Mm.
and etc.
Uh-huh.
Yang so I think is there are new action
Okay.
something like I forgot the
Okay.
name.
What about the modern?
The modern I think is based on the nowadays
Mhm.
and correlate the IT and
Mhm.
then YouTuber
Okay.
etc. I think
Like Sul, yeah?
yeah,
YouTuber.
YouTuber,
Uh-huh.
I think is depend on. I agree with sister. Depend on
Which
the
one is this?
sister from Hack.
Okay.
Ah.
I think is
Hack, like hack in the technology like this. Hack.
Yeah.
Okay.
I forgot what I want to say.
Uh-huh.
Actually, depend on. I agree with sister. Depend on how to
Priority.
prioritizing because
Yeah,
of.
yeah.
I think is everyone has how to say want to increase their ability and
Mhm.
then want to reach something which one is more maybe there is a timetable. How to
Okay.
say timetable? Yang
Yeah, let's go like that. Let's
yeah. In
Okay.
Indonesia, I forgot
Okay.
timetable.
Okay. Thank you, Kak Fatiha. Okay, I move to Ila. Yeah. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening? Extracurricular activity. Your
The conclusion about this topic.
yeah.
Extracurricular activity is very important.
Mhm.
It's very important for increasing our maybe increasing our something like we can speak English, right?
Mm.
We can speak English that if we are joining in extracurricular activities such as communities, we can
Mm.
increase more our own potential.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, just
Okay, enough. Okay.
That's
Okay.
enough.
Kak Fatiha. Like again. Yeah, what is your conclusion, Kak Fatiha, about our
Okay,
topic?
the conclusion today, I think is the topic today is so interest for me,
Mhm.
and then I think is to get knowledge to unlearn our powerful. I think it is not of the formal education, but someone or people can increase their ability or passion out of the formal education. I mean, informal education, something like the organization. I think is you are the master of organization, hack, Mabicara, BPEC, and I'm from
KMC.
KMC. I think is more do not focus on just one I mean one side, but try to find another your where is your find your comfort
Zone.
zone. I mean, because of if we do something by love, I think is the result
Wow.
of
Okay, okay,
Thank
Brian.
you.
What about you? What is your conclusion about our activity, our topic?
Okay, my conclusion in this topic, I can conclude that extracurricular is very important because you need to improve your skill inside of in your academy, and you have to explore more in outside, because of, yeah, like I said before, life is an improvement.
Improvement. Wait, thank you. What about you, Fiera? What is your conclusion
Okay,
about
my
our topic for this
conclusion
evening?
of our topic for today is everyone needs extracurricular, but even though people not join extracurricular, they make a good things, and also we need extracurricular because we should find what we like and where we passionate more, and it's make us improve more, and also we can make a better life.
Oh, wow. Giving applause for us. That's all our conclusion. Thank you, Fiera from Hack Hasanuddin English Community. Thank you, Ila from Bicara Community, ya Polyglot. Thank you from Kemchi Cafe English Meeting Club Indonesia. Thank you, Brian from BPEC Benteng Panua English Club. Okay, amazing conclusion about our topic for this evening. Thank you very much for your coming here in our second home. Let's be say. Okay, giving
Thank
applause
you
for
so
us
much.
first. Smart viewers and listeners at home, that's all our discussion about our topic for this evening. The topic is extracurricular activity. I think many benefit and of course positive lesson we can got from this our discussion, special for the people who very interact how to say very interested with English. I think that's all. Thank you very much for your kind attention, guys. See you for the next week. As usually at 7 p.m. Tuesday, Smart FM 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Thank you. Bye bye.